what's up guys? Welcome to the Cherry Garage. So last time we made a video about this car, it was about the installation and just first impressions of the CSL Airbox. So I got mine from Turner Motorsport. You can see it right there. She's looking pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and just go for a nice little drive, a little POV action, so you guys can kind of see what it all sounds like as I go through these nice roads and get some good revs. And again, I did the whole CSL conversion, so it's got a map sensor in there, just so you guys know. And it's also got Status Grouppe headers and full exhaust. Thanks for checking it out. Enjoy the drive.